Recording a great voiceover for your explainer video is key to keeping your audience engaged and making your message resonate. Here are 5 tips to take your voiceover to the next level. Invest in a good microphone. It doesn't have to be top of the line, but skip the computer's built-in mic. Find a quiet space with minimal noise and soft surfaces to cut down on echoes. Keep the mic about 6 inches from your mouth and speak directly into it. Stay consistent with this distance throughout the recording. Smiling can positively affect the tone of your voice, making it sound friendly and engaging. Don't hesitate to do multiple takes until you get the pacing, inflection, and emotion just right. Ready to add a great voiceover to your video? Click the link and let us show you how easy it is to do this in simpleshow Video Maker.